12 steps to start fishing. Step 1, all you need, to start with, is a cane, fiberglass or graphite pole, for about $10. Step 2, buy a small spool of monofilament fishing lines. Step 3, a couple of plastic bobbers, some split-shot sinkers, some hooks, and a small tackle box. Step 4, bait, where you can buy minnows, night crawlers, redworms, and crickets, at a bait shop. Step 5, cut off a length of line, about a foot longer than the length of your pole. Wrap the end around the tip of your pole, and tie tightly. Step 6, match a hook to your bait, and tie the hook to the opposite end of the line, using a knot. Step 7, you are now ready to go fishing. If you live near the coast, go fishing to the piers, and if you live inland, go to a pond. Step 8, after baiting your hook, attach the bobber above your line, and simply extend the pole out over the water. Step 9, wait for the fish to bite. Fishing takes patience. It is common for fish to take several minutes to find your baited hook. Watch your bobber, and if it jumps or shakes, a fish is nibbling your bait. Step 10, when the bobber goes completely under the surface, set the hook by raising the pole quickly. Then point your pole straight up in the air, so the fish swings to you. Step 11, handle with care. As most fish you catch from shore do not have sharp teeth, but many have spiny fins. Grasp the fish gently but firmly, behind the head, and use needle nose pliers to remove the hook. Step 12, take a photo of your catch, and then gently put the fish back in the water, so it can swim away and be caught another day. Click the link in the description. Please like our video.